Why, hello there, I'm Johnny. Come follow me, see what I have to offer here. Anything you need, I have it. Because at the end of the school year here at Emerson College, people just throw out the craziest shit. These posters, people threw them out. This calendar with pornography on it, people threw it out. This suit I'm wearing, it was trash a month ago. Alright, let's keep going here. Now this is my pride and joy, the Emporium itself. Follow me. Welcome to Johnny's Leftover Emporium, where you'll find anything you want at discount prices. In fact, I'm giving most of this shit away. Over here, table number 1, look at this. Grey's Anatomy, an entire season, season 2, in Japanese. What more could you want? Over here, caller ID phone, no money down, microphone, mini connection, a radio with the clock, karaoke machine. You can't do without one of those. And over here, my lamp section, one of my favorites. We got all sorts of lamps. You got your desk lamps, you got your strobe lamps, you got your flashlights, you got your clamp lamps over here, you got your floor lights. So any of these lamps you want, all yours for a low price of only $3. Here in front of me, look at this, the printers. We have Ethernet cables. What could you ask for? 50 feet, 40 feet, gray, black. Look, coaxial cable, speakers, USB ports, HP, Canon, Olympus, we have it all. Over here, look at this, what do we got? DVD spindle for all your DVDs. Don't have any of those there, that's expensive. Look, a keyboard, more coaxial. You can never have too much of that. Am I right? Am I right? Over here, look at this. Schweppes cans, in case you want to take them to the dump for me and make money. And over here, my appliance section. Come, follow me. Look, microwaves for sale, low price, $5 each. Over my right here, the Chef Made. Then, we have the Proctor Silex, the Sanyo, the Panasonic. We have it all. Each microwaves, going low price, $5. Look, if you order now, I'll even throw in an honorary compliment of Auto Render Bacchus popcorn. If you buy the Sanyo microwave, I'll even throw in some SpaghettiOs and chicken noodle soup. But if that's not quite your bag, I got an umbrella for you, $1. Crayola markers, all 10 of them, complete set, 50 cents. I don't have the CD, but I do have the jacket to a PJ Harvey album. Could interest you, maybe. And if you ever find an album, I have a binder for you too. Over here, an aquarium, a flower pot, amazing. Suit jacket, you might get cold out, you never know. Suitcase, complimentary strap bag, a handbag, brand new jeans, never been worn, $3, everything must go. And look, over here, more posters. These are straight from the movie theater, folks. Mission Impossible 3. That was a huge hit a year ago. Now I'm selling the poster for 25 cents. Clerks 2. Snakes on a plane. Snakes on a motherfucking plane, people. You can't get better than that. Here at Johnny's Leftover Emporium, you can get anything you want at low prices, no matter what the cost might be somewhere else. Because here at Johnny's Leftover Emporium, you can get everything. Even the rug I'm standing on, which again, all was found in the trash. This rug was trash an hour ago. This lamp, it was trash. This strobe light, it was trash. Everything you see before you, even the ceiling, the Ethernet cables, those were trash. And now they're here, for low prices at Johnny's Leftover Emporium. So no matter what you might see, or what you might like, because right here at Johnny's Leftover Emporium, we have it all for you. Thank you, and come on down!
Johnny's Leftover Emporium, collecting your old trash and showcasing it for a sophisticated retail shopping experience you will never forget. We're conveniently located in room 825 in the Little Building, open noon to midnight, 7 days a week, so come on down!